Hello, I'm Dan Beal, Product Manager of Doc2Help. Join me as I continue our Doc2Help video tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how Doc2Help makes it very easy to store and manage reusable content in one or more projects using two kinds of variables. Doc2Help makes creating and updating commonly used pieces of information straightforward with a feature called variables. These chunks of information can be reused throughout your projects. Plus, if they ever need to be edited, you only have to edit them in a single location. This not only saves time, but also reduces errors. By the way, I'm showing this to you in Word, but it works the same if you're using Doc2Help's built-in editor. We find the Variables feature conveniently located in the Project tab of Doc2Help's ribbon toolbar. When we click the Variables button, the Variables tab will open below. Notice there's an area for rich content variables and one for text variables. This is because you can create two different types of variables with Doc2Help. Text variables are unformatted, so anywhere you insert them, they take on the formatting around them. Rich content variables can contain formatting and more complex content like tables and graphics. Typically, text variables are used for words or phrases such as dates, product names, and version numbers. Rich content variables are used for larger snippets that need formatting. Also notice that rich content variables are stored in documents while text variables are stored directly in the project, like a database. We'll start with a basic text variable. In the text variables area, click the Add New Variable button to create a new variable. Name the variable Notice. You can name your variables anything you'd like. It is just a placeholder. In the text area, add the following text. Revised April 2012. Notice that you can assign conditions to text variables. This means that the same variable can contain different text for different outputs. For example, the Notice variable could have one message for NetHelp and a different one for manuals. Now we'll use the variable in the project. We'll start by opening the document in my project. We want the boilerplate to appear in each topic. Doc2Help arranges topics according to heading structure, so we'll put the variable in each section. We start by typing Notice at the end of each topic. This gives us a placeholder for the variable. Now, we highlight the placeholder and click the variable button on the Doc2Help toolbar. We select the variable we just created and click OK. Now, you see our placeholder looks different. That is because Doc2Help applied a special style that will tell it to insert the variable when it publishes the output. We will repeat this for each section. Now let's take a look at the output. We'll close the document, select our target from the Build menu. I'm going to generate NetHelp, our web-based output, and click Build. Notice April 2012 is at the end of each section. Now let's change it and see what happens. We go back to the Variables tab and change the date to June 2012 and build the output again. You see the date has changed everywhere. Now, maybe we don't like the way this blends in with the rest of the content. It would be better if we formatted it and added some more information. We can do that by using a rich content variable instead. First, we need to create the variable, so we open the Variables tab again, click the Create New Document button, and choose to use a Word document since that is what we're using elsewhere. If you choose to use an XHTML document, you will be using the Doc2Help editor. We name our document and then it opens. This document will store all rich variables in name-value pairs just like the text variables. We will name the variable in one column and design it in the other. We will name this one Rich Boilerplate and use a more descriptive boilerplate. Let's say Revised April 2012 by ABC Corporation IT Department. To set it off, we make it red and italic. Once we save and close the document, the variable is ready to use. Now, we open my document and highlight each instance of the boilerplate and choose my new variable. Save and close and repeat the build. Now, my new variable is in there. I have shown you two great ways to reuse content across the project, but what if you want to share content across many projects? It is actually easy. You just store the variable document in a central location. I'm Dan Beal. Thank you for watching and thanks for choosing Component 1.